Elders Being Proactive by Danette Green. Older adults do best when they are life learners who don't wait for things to happen, but self-advocate to make a change. They refuse to be marginalized any longer because all of God's children deserve love and respect. 1 Timothy 5:1, rebuke not an elder, but entreat him as a father, and the younger men as brethren. Let's see if we can take care of the problem that a lot of you have been having trying to finish the homework. The only device you may have happens to be a phone, and it's not that easy to type on the phone with those little buttons, and particularly if you're having problems like arthritis, or if you're like me, I have fat fingers. So we're going to try something new. Um, of course, we use Google Classroom and Gmail, either on a PC or a mobile device. We have access to some free apps. They are Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Sites, and Google Forms. So, the whole concept of voice typing is just that. You use your voice instead of your fingers to type. You talk to a microphone, and that's really helpful if you're using a mobile device because, as I said, they're not the most comfortable things to type on. So we're going to look at the video, then we're going to see a couple of sites, or apps I should say, lipsurf.com and handsfreeforweb.com. But if you're just interested in going ahead and navigating the internet without having to type, remember you have a little microphone right here. And in search, you just say what you want to go to, what site, and it'll get you there. But we're going to go to Google Docs because we're going to write a letter and we're going to do it collaboratively. So we'll take turns. Everybody's going to get a chance to do the voice typing. But what we have to do to get the Google Doc is we're going to click on this waffle, which is next to the profile picture. We're going to go to Docs, click Start to get a new document. Name your document, really important because otherwise you're not going to be able to find it later on. And we're going to go to Tools. And notice Tools goes down to Voice Typing, and there's your little microphone. Now, the microphone has to be in red, otherwise you're not going to be able to get it to type for you. And this is what I typed. I used my voice for all of this. This is going to be a collaborative document. We will write a letter to the head of the Learning Center to ask for a timeline for when they will create the assistive computer lab. Okay, so this is a list. It's not a complete list, of course, of different commands to help you, help you form your letter, tell it to resume, to stop. Things like that that you will normally do with hitting the enter key and other keys. So let's say that everybody's been working hard on it, everybody got a chance to practice a voice, typing, and time's up. You don't have time to finish the letter. You don't have to worry. There's no save button. Google Docs automatically saves to the cloud. All of the Google applications save to the cloud. So when you get ready, you go back to your drive and you can pull it up and keep working on it. So you should be very proud of yourself because you already started building an assistive technology environment. And you just have to continue to be proactive. Think of ways that you can collaborate with your classmates. Other ones you can work on individually. But most of all, being proactive. Do so in God's faith and stay blessed. Psalm 77:13, Thy way, O God, is in the sanctuary. Who is so great a God as our God? Here's resources that I used, and I hope you have a very blessed day. Thank you.